Today, you are going to get to see me unpack a brand new tool that I am so excited about. As we take a look, as we see what's inside of the box, we've got a brand new document camera. Woo! I'm really excited about this because I've had a document camera in the past and it was good. I enjoyed it while I had it, but I'd have to say I have been looking for something that is a little bit better. So today you're going to get to see, is this something that is better than the last document camera that I had, or is it just not up to par? That's exactly what you're going to find out today. So I ended up, you guys, taking it out of the box and immediately plugged it in directly into my camera. Into my computer. And you want to know what? That is all that I needed to do. What I really love is how far the space is here. This is my entire tabletop in one view from this camera. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I could actually even change the position and rotate it so they can see it better as I do it. You go up, you come down, and then you cross so they can see it just a little bit better. I could also come on over this way so they can see me do it. So it's got a 360-degree swivel on it. For reading tutors, I love the fact that I can just take my books and do this. Now I just moved the neck of the device on up so that I could see now the whole book. What I like about that part is that you can see the entire book in one go. What I do find is, the letters do look, it's a little rough on there, but if I do get a little bit closer, again, it becomes a little bit better. And I got a little bit closer. Okay, so as I'm getting closer, I'm like, I still don't like the way that these letters are showing on up. So I started researching and saying, okay, is there something that I can do here that's going to make this a better situation than what I currently have? And I found that there is an app that they have, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when I now use that app. So I'm going to open it on up and watch what happens. So what I did is I'm going to share my screen instead of having it the way that it is. And already I can tell a huge difference. So now when I open it up, wow, look at that clarity. And I can even pull it all the way up and still have the clarity. And again, now I find that when I click that autofocus, it works. So that is something that's really important to notice, is that when you click on that autofocus, it's going to work really, really well when you are inside of the app. But it doesn't really seem to do too much when you're not inside of the app. But this is just absolutely incredible now, right? There is a lighting feature on here, but I feel like with the lighting that I have inside of my office, that it actually works better with no light. So this is with some more light. And then this is no light. So, the lighting really doesn't add too much to. There is this pencil right here, right? So this is my favorite part, because here we go. And I can begin writing. Now I'm going to make my thickness just a little bit like so. And let's use the blue color. So let's say that I am trying to, show them this IGH here. I could be like, okay, remember what sound IGH makes? And they can say I. Great, try it. And they say I. You got it. Great, keep reading. I can also do a screenshot. So let's say that I wanted to capture some of the things that I have done with them. I can also record videos and put them inside. I could create assignments and put them inside of Google Classroom. So it does play really, really nice with Google Classroom. I can also flip the book if I wanted to for any reason. Compared to document cameras that I have used in the past, this was 100% built for teachers. Definitely check it out. It is high on my list, and I cannot wait to continue to hear like the different ways that you guys plan on using this document camera. I have a good feeling that you're going to love it just as much as I love it.